How to change your country and address on Shopee. First things first is, of course, open up the Shopee application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, at the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see on the Me tab. Simply tap on that. And then at the upper portion of your screen, you should see a gear icon, which will redirect you to your account settings. Now, from here, just head straight into My Addresses. To change this, just simply tap on your current address and then go into region and province city. From here, just head straight into reset at the upper right portion of your screen. Now you can now change your current address, then just simply choose region and just input your specific address. And that is how you change your country and address on Shopee.